I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now by breaking the immediate cycle. Start by silencing non-essential notifications so your attention isn't hijacked. This reduces reflex checking. Once done, create 2 to 3 phone-free windows today for meals and the hour before bed, and place the phone in another room during focused work. These actions lower the cue response loop and give your prefrontal cortex space to choose. Make sure to replace checking with a short ritual like stretching or a notebook check to redirect the impulse. You now build structure around reduced use. Activate app limits and change the screen to grayscale to make the device less enticing. Set strict daily time caps for the most distracting apps. Then choose specific replacement activities, a 10-minute walk, a chapter of a book, or a short household task, and commit to them when the urge arises. Once done, keep a simple log of phone minutes and review weekly. This feedback helps you adjust limits and reinforce which replacements actually work. You finish by making gains sustainable and readying for setbacks. Gradually tighten limits and celebrate milestones with non-phone rewards so progress feels meaningful. If you relapse, audit the trigger situation. What time, emotion, or context led to checking, and deliberately swap that trigger for a healthy cue like a breath exercise or stepping outside. Make sure to add accountability, a friend check-in or temporary stricter app lock, to reset momentum quickly. This troubleshooting approach keeps you learning and moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.